How to view archived cards and lists. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to view archive cards and lists. So for that, just simply open the Trello official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your Trello account, just simply go to the workspace you are working in. So for example, I am working in this particular board right here. So just open that and just simply click on the three dot icon from the list that you are seeing on your workspace, and over here just simply click on archive this list. And as soon as you click on archive your list, you can see that this list has been removed from your Trello board. Likewise, you can click on this particular card and press C on your keyboard, and this card will be archived from your Trello board. And once it is done, just simply come back to your home screen in the Trello board, and over here just simply click on the three dot icon from the right hand side corner of the screen, and from there just go to the archived item sections. And now over here, when you click on switch to list, this particular list that you have archived just now, which says working on it, has been archived, and you can see it right there. And when you click on switch to cards, you can see all the cards that you have archived from the list in your board. So you can also undo your action while clicking on send to board. Likewise for the list as well, you can click on send to board, and you can see that it has sent back to the board again. So yeah, this is how simple it is to view archived cards and lists. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.